plantain peelings right here, guys. I'm going to use it for a home remedy. Can anybody guess what home remedy it is? But before I use it, we need to dry it first. It has to be completely dry, so I'm going to go ahead and dry this. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. As you can see on my plate right here, this is plantain peelings. All right, plantain is green plantain peelings. Why it's looking a bit yellow is because it has been for 2 days. I used this plantain like 2 days ago and I left the peelings. I was supposed to do a video with it 2 days ago, but I got caught up with some other things and I couldn't do the video, so I decided to do the video today. This plantain peelings right here, guys, I'm going to use it for a home remedy. Can anybody guess what home remedy it is? But before I use it, we need to dry it first. It has to be completely dry, so I'm going to go ahead and dry this plantain peelings for about 3 days. But the thing is, right here right now it's not very sunny here. Like one day it's very sunny, the next day it's raining all day, so it might take more than 3 days for me to completely dry these plantain leaves. So if you are one of those people that throw away your plantain peelings, you might want to stop throwing them after watching this video, after you find out the amazing benefits of these plantain peelings. This is just one plantain, guys. You don't need a lot. I just use one just to show you guys what you can do with plantain peelings. The amazing benefits of this plantain peelings. So guys, just keep watching the video. All right, I'm going to get back to you guys once I dry this plantain peelings completely. We're going to continue the video and I'm going to show you what I really want to make out of this plantain peelings. And then we all know that stretch marks are not funny. Like when you're a woman, right, and you see those stretch marks on your body, it makes you feel a certain type of way. Okay, so I want to show you a very simple home remedy that you can use to actually take care of your stretch mark. If you're a lady that you have stretch mark on your body, this home remedy is for you. Okay, so how you're going to use it, like if you're a woman who's pregnant and you're expecting you're pregnant right now, do this home remedy and start applying. The earlier the better. You can start as early as 3 months. You start applying it on all the areas that can be affected by stretch mark. Like of course their stomach is going to be the first place because it's going to stretch, and you have your thighs here, the upper thighs here, and then you have your breast area, and then you have your hand, your arms, the back of your arms, you know, all the areas that you know that are very prone to have stretch marks. You can apply them there. All right, and if you're a lady that you already have stretch mark, if it's after birth or naturally you just have stretch mark, this home remedy is for you. Trust it and test it, guys. Like it is going to get rid of your stretch mark so fast. I did like, this is the plantain that I showed you guys all the other day. I said I was going to dry it. Okay, so I've dried the plantain. Look at how it looks like. The color has actually changed. It's very dark now, and you can see the way it's very dry. This backpack plantain peelings, it packs with a lot of vitamins and nutrients, and it is going to help to repair your skin that has been stretched, that has been broken open. It's going to help to repair it. And another item we need is shea butter. Guys, you need shea butter, original shea butter, right? I love shea butter. Like only the shea butter itself is going to do magic. Like it's going to moisturize, and because if you know that your body can easily get stretch mark, it's not good for you to always leave it dry. Always moisturize, right, to keep it so prevent it from stretching and from breaking. Dry skin is going to lead to stretch mark. If you know that you're someone who can have stretch mark, avoid leaving your skin to be so dry. Alright, so we have our plantain peelings here and the shea butter, which I'm going to use for this home remedy. So I'm just going to blend the plantain peelings in the small blender here, where you can blend your dry items. Alright, I'm going to blend it and I'm going to get back to you guys. Alright, so guys, this is approximately 1 tablespoon of shea butter, and this is the dry plantain peelings which I've blended fine and smooth. We're going to take in 1 teaspoon of the plantain peelings. Alright, I add in here and you're going to mix that together thoroughly. Once you mix that very well, you're going to have something like this, okay? And then you can start applying this mixture on your body twice a day, morning and night. Alright, morning and night. This thing right here, guys, amazing. I'm telling you, if you have stretch marks or you have someone that has stretch marks, guys, share this video to them, share this video. It's something that I've used. Is tested and trusted, guys. Tested and trusted. This is tested and trusted. Not something that I just come here and just tell you stories. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you guys. This is what I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you think that this video was helpful. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gilly. You're definitely welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my video today. For my returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for your love and your support. I see you guys. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you from the depth of my heart. So guys, I'll show you again in my next one. So have a great day. Bye.